What if I tell you that you don't actually need desktop to be able to upload your videos on YouTube the right way? In this video, I'm going to use this phone to show you all the processes that you will need to upload rightly and include all the necessary metadata in your video to be able to go viral on YouTube. The very first thing you have to observe that, first of all, after preparing your video, for instance, this video, the second video here, this is the video that I would like to upload. But when you look at it now, it is still having the configuration given to it by CapCut, IV, 0 and others. Now, if I upload this way, YouTube will be confused and will not be able to give me the maximum attention because of the missing in the title. What I'm going to do here is, first of all, to find the title for this. Now, the title for this, let me rename this. Now I have renamed this my video as how to use your phone as a desktop. It now has a name and not just a code. The next thing I'm going to do is to go over to my Chrome browser or to any other browser I'm using and go to my youtube.com. youtube.com. When I am already on youtube.com, I'm going to click on this and then make sure that I am on the desktop version. I'm going to click on icon at the top right corner, then click on view your channel. Now this is my channel and this is where I want to upload my video. What I'm going to do here is, first of all, to go to my channel itself and make sure that I am here. Yes, once I'm here, I am going to click on create, then upload videos. Then come to this place, then select files. Go to my file and then select how to use. I'm going to show you a magic that will happen now. Now, you see how to use your phone as a desktop. This thing easily comes here and then even the file name is notified here. You can see how to use your phone as a desktop. The file name is here and then even in the title is given there. What does this mean? It all means that YouTube is already taking note of the name of this, and then this will rank in SEO because it's able to identify this video and be able to operate with it. I'll decide to leave it exactly as it is or tweak the title name a little. And then at this juncture, I can add other things. Description, for instance, this is how to use your phone. Now, I'm doing this just as a sample, but I will tell you, you can use ChatGPT and then copy the subtitle, the whole subtitle of this video, and be able to tell ChatGPT to give you a one paragraph version of your video that you want to use as a description so that it will be fully optimized. This is how to use your phone in the desktop version. And the next thing is for you to go and upload your thumbnail. I have to go and select, of course, by now I must have done a thumbnail that will be befitting for this. This is just an example. If I should choose this, okay, select this. Of course, the video is still uploading and I have to make sure that this video is not public. How do I make sure of this? I have to go up to visibility and make sure that this video is not in the public. It is in the private. It's very important even to make sure that it doesn't upload directly to the public. Now the playlist, I'm going to select the playlist if I have one or I create new one. Then the next thing will be to click not made for kids, then show more, and then put all other things, tag here. I'm going to put tag. To make it easier for you, I can use ChatGPT and generate tags that are relevant to the title here. Then video language is very important for you to put video language. I select my video language here, English, then caption, recording date. The next thing will be to check the short remixing. Yes, put it, allow video and audio remixing. How to style, put it, or select any other category. My own is how to and style. You need to know the niche of your own video. Then comment, yes, comment. Then the next thing is next. It's going to lead me to the second one, video elements. video subtitle. I cannot add video subtitles. Even if I add it here now, I will not be able to get the video subtitle. I need to wait for something like 2 hours so that this video, YouTube will be able to generate the subtitles so that I can now use them. Okay, I just leave this one for now. But then end screen, I can add the end screen here. So select anyone, okay, save, then add cards. I can add the cards here, click on save. This is what is going to give me. The next thing is next. And then visibility, of course, we have set the visibility. It's always good to set it in private, as I've said before. Don't set it ever in public, but in private, or the most you can do unlisted so that you can share to others to be able to review for you. Now, the good thing about it is here now that if you have uploaded this in through your normal or YouTube or app, you will not be able to get this, the title here, how to use your phone. I mean, the title on the phone, on the video here, how to use your phone as a desktop. You will not be able to do that. Only when you upload it through this. And it actually helps to boost your SEO and be able to get your videos listed and be recognized by the YouTube algorithm. If this video is of some use to you, then give it a thumb up and then subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to get more of what we are going to draw for you as time goes on. Thank you for watching to this point, and I wish you the very best in your YouTube endeavors. God bless you.